Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these Nerf party decorations. I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, and now's the time to do so because I will be posting every week. And if you want to see new videos, please hit the little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys like these decorations. Please watch into the end so you can see the whole setup, how everything turns out. First thing I did was grab these plates at Dollar Tree. I got the blue one and orange, the big one and small. I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hot glue and put some hot glue in the back and then attach it to the middle of the plate. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my cup and put some hot glue and attach it to the top of the cup, just like that. Perfect. Then go ahead and grab any circles that you have in your home. Shape, one big and one small, and you're going to go ahead and draw it on a piece of paper, and you're going to go ahead and end up cutting them all out just like that. Then after you're done cutting that out, you're going to take the second piece of paper and you're going to just make sure you put it in the middle so it could be smaller than the other circle. You're going to go ahead and do the same process that you did first. Just draw it, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it out. Then the next step you're going to do is just go ahead and grab your paper and start drawing your shape. Just like that. This is pretty simple to draw. If I could do it like I always said, so can you, because I am horrible at drawing, guys. So then go ahead and continue doing your shape, and then once you're done drawing your shape, just go ahead and grab your scissor and start cutting them out. The next thing you're going to do is just grab your double-sided tape and put it in the back and attach it to your other circle, just like that. And then go ahead and grab the mid part and do the same process and just put it on top until you attach the whole thing. And there you have your whole shape. And then grab these favor bags and just double-sided tape and attach it to your bag, and then you have your favor bags done. Then I took a piece of paper and I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half like that, and grab your scissor and just gonna go ahead and cut it in the middle. Just gonna go ahead and cut the whole thing through it. Then go ahead and cut the pieces from the bottom all the way almost to the top, but make sure not to cut it all the way through it, just almost onto the end. Then you're gonna continue cutting until you're done cutting the whole thing. Once you're done, go ahead and take your hot glue and attach it to the other part, just like that. Perfect. Then grab a piece of paper and just cut out a piece from the bottom, and what you're going to do is just put it on top like that, and you're going to take your hot glue and attach it, and then cut out the extra pieces that you have. Go ahead and grab a hole punch and just punch 2 holes on each side, and then take your ribbon and put it through it, just like that. And this is how cute it turns out that you have a little banner. The next step I did was grab all my balloons. I'm just going to go ahead and blot them up all the same size, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue blowing until I'm done blowing all the balloons. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and take my balloon strip and I'm going to place it through a big hole like that, and then slide it down to the small hole and let it go. So I'm going to do 2 yellow. So I'm going to continue doing this 2 yellow, 2 green, 2 blue until I'm done doing the whole thing. I'm just going to do 2 with the same color. Then I grab my backdrop stand. I put 2 current each size, and then I'm going to take my backdrop and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top of my backdrop stand, and I'm just going to hold it with my clip, just like that, and then just stretch it out and place it on. Then I went ahead and placed the balloon on top, just like that. You're gonna take your balloon stand and just go ahead and place your balloon on top and just twist it around on top, and you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole thing onto the top. Then go ahead and grab a poster board paper, and you're gonna go ahead and cut it in the middle of the paper, just like that. Cut it out. Once you cut it out, go ahead and grab your hot glue, and you're going to attach it to the end of the poster like that. You're going to fold it and attach it just like that to each side. Then I grab an orange piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And after I fold it in half, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my pair of scissors and cut it out. And I'm going to use these two pieces as if it's not enough to go around, to attach it around the end of the poster board, just like that. Then I'm going to take the other piece to attach it to the other side that it wasn't enough to go around the whole thing. Then I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out the extra pieces that I have and continue and attach the whole thing. Then after that, I'm going to grab my table, and then I got this cool tablecloth, very inexpensive, you guys. I will put the link down below where you can get them. And you're going to just go ahead and take your table and attach it to each leg of the table like that. Is very simple to do and it's super cute, guys. So then I did this game that I wanted to share real quick with you. I took this foam board and then I took some cup, and what I'm going to do is just attach all the cup to the foam board. This is pretty fun. My kids had a blast shooting them, and then you put little prize inside, or you could put money, whatever you like them to have, you're gonna put it inside. So the next step I did after I glued all the cup is just took some tissue paper and then just cut it around just like that with a pair of scissors. And then you're gonna put inside whatever your kids like. My kids want money, so I put money inside, different bills. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put double-sided tape on the side all the way around, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the tape out, the extra pieces, and I'm gonna take my tissue paper and hold and attach it to the cup just like that. You can also do hot glue, whatever you would like, and then they will just go ahead and shoot it. And this is how beautiful everything turns out. I hope you guys like it. I will put on the link down below where I got most of the stuff that I used for this birthday. It's very inexpensive and it looks super cute, and it's something that you guys can do. Once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And let's not forget to hit the little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Yeah, this is a really fun party and the kids loved it. But at the end, this is what we end up doing. I just took some boxes and I had them paint them, color them in with paint, however they wanted to decide them. I teamed them up and they played, and it was very fun. It's something you guys can do. As you can see in the back, I did the shooting range as well.